Wait, before you skip, I'm about to show you how to create professional songs in under 3 minutes, even if you can't sing or play any instruments. And yes, this can actually make you money. I just created the song you're hearing right now using AI.
To see if your key still fits, to see if your key still fits. You just want to see if I'm over it yet.
And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it too. Plus, I'm revealing a secret prompt that makes the AI write chart-worthy lyrics for you. But here's the thing. Most people mess up step 3 and their songs sound terrible. I'll show you how to avoid that. First, head to sonauto.ai. It's completely free to start, and here's what makes it different from other AI music tools. Everything you create here is 100% commercially licensed. That means you can actually sell these songs or monetize them on YouTube without any legal issues. Now, you can scroll through songs other creators made, but don't get distracted yet. We need to set up your first track properly, or it'll sound like a robot wrote it. Quick pause. If you want the secret prompt I use to generate professional-level lyrics, type FLA in the comments right now. I'll pin it there with the full prompt so you can copy it. Trust me, this prompt alone is worth watching the entire video. All right, here's where most people fail. They type random lyrics into the AI and wonder why the song sounds generic. Instead, I use Google's Gemini Pro. It's free in AI Studio, and I feed it a specific prompt structure that forces it to write emotional, catchy lyrics. I'm not going to read the whole prompt now because it's long, but it includes things like syllable count, rhyme schemes, and emotional peaks. It's basically a cheat code. That's pinned in the comments for you. But here's what you need to know. Good lyrics equals good songs. The AI music generator can only work with what you give it. Now, back to Sonauto. Once you have your AI-generated lyrics, this part is almost too easy. Paste your lyrics into the prompt box. Then, and this is important, you need to describe 2 things clearly. First, genre. Be specific. Don't just say pop. Say upbeat 80s synth pop with retro drums. Second, vocalist style. This is where it gets fun. You can reference real artists. Want a Charlie Puth vibe? Type it in. Want something like Billie Eilish? Type that in too. And yes, before you ask, this is legal. The AI isn't cloning their voice, it's using their style as a reference point. Real quick, some of you are probably thinking, how do I make money with this? Here's the simple answer. YouTube channels posting AI music with visualizers are getting millions of views. Some are making $2,000 to $5,000 per month just from ad revenue. You create the song here, add a free AI-generated video, upload it, and repeat. I've covered this exact strategy in previous videos if you want the full breakdown. Now, here's a method most people don't know about. What if you already have a melody? Maybe you hummed something into your phone, or you played a simple piano riff. You can upload that. Click the upload icon next to the generate button, hit Make Project, add your title, upload your audio file, and boom, you've got a project workspace. Now, here's the game changer. In the prompt box, you're not just describing a song anymore. You're saying, take this melody and add powerful female vocals with these lyrics in the style of indie folk. The AI will layer vocals, harmonies, and production onto your melody. This is how you create truly original music. Stop. Before you hit generate, listen carefully. There are 2 checkboxes you must pay attention to. Fancy mode. Always tick this. It's the difference between amateur and professional quality. Don't skip it. Instrumental mode. Only tick this if you want no vocals. If you want vocals, leave it unchecked. If you're still watching, you're serious about this. Hit that like button real quick. It actually helps more people find this tutorial. And honestly, it takes you half a second. All right, now we're getting into the professional stuff. Click Advanced mode. This is where you can control multiple genres. Mix EDM with country if you want. The AI can handle it. You can choose auto lyrics versus custom lyrics, choose whether the AI writes lyrics or you provide them. Then there's more advanced mode. Yes, there's another level. Here you control lyric strength, how prominent the words are, style strength, how closely it follows your genre description, audio balance, the mix between vocals and instrumentals, BPM or tempo, the speed of the song, and style boost, which emphasizes the genre characteristics. Most people never touch these settings, but if you want your song to sound exactly like what's in your head, this is how you do it. Song generated, but it's only 30 seconds, or maybe you want to change the ending. Click Edit on your track. Hit Extend and choose Extend at the start to add an intro, Extend at the end to add an outro or extra chorus, or Manual Extension to place it anywhere. You can add auto-generated lyrics or write your own for the extension. It'll match the style of your original song perfectly. This is huge because most AI tools only let you generate once. Sonauto lets you keep building. Once you're done, click the More icon on your track and download it. But here's something cool. Click the Video button and Sonauto will auto-generate a lyric video for you, just like the one in my intro. You can customize colors, fonts, and animations. Then you can publish it directly on the platform to build an audience there, or export it and upload to YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, wherever. All your projects are saved in the Make Music section, so you can come back anytime and edit or extend them. So here's what you need to do right now. 1. Go to sonauto.ai and start creating. 2. Grab that lyric prompt from the pinned comment, type FLA if you haven't already. 3. Generate your first song using the fancy mode settings. If this video helped you, subscribe. We're building a community of AI creators here. Follow us on TikTok and Facebook for daily tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, go make something amazing.